Teacher Brady. I'm in science mode. Today we are going to be making salt crystals on feathers. And we are going to try two different kinds of salt. I have regular, ordinary table salt here, and I have ice cream salt, which is just super chunky salt. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go boil some water, which is a little dangerous for little people, so I'll do that by myself. And then I'll come back and show you what our water looks like. All right, see you in a bit. Here is our salt. This is the ice cream salt, and this is the regular Morton salt. I put a cup of salt into each bowl and then some water, and we microwaved it until it dissolved. And you can see on top that there are some crystals forming already on the side of the bowl. That's what's going to happen to our feathers. Cool! I am so pumped! Woo! Science! Yes! You can see on top of the water we've got some crystals forming too. This is awesome! I love it! Okay. This is an interlude to tell you what a crystal is. A diamond is a crystal, a snowflake is a crystal, salt is a crystal, she is a crystal. Yay! Crystals! The atoms are arranged in a highly ordered three-dimensional lattice. Now you know! Alright, I'm back in action. I have got the ice cream salt and water in this cup. And teacher Amanda was very smart, and she labeled the cup with an I for ice cream salt. So I'm going to pour this in here. Woo! And magically there's going to be more water in there later because I'm going to add some water to this. But our little feather here should start to grow some crystals within the next couple of hours. All right, I'm gonna make some more mess over here. Boom. Now we have a regular salt. What color feather should I use now? Got a white feather. All right. So this is our regular salt, and this is our ice cream salt. And we will come back and take a look at it in a few hours, and we'll take a look at it in a couple of days. But I'm excited. Let's see what we got. Hi, Frog Room friends. This is Teacher Brady, and I am in science mode. Today, we are going to be doing a science project, and we are going to be making something with salt. I don't remember, but I'm going to edit this out anyway, so it's okay. We're going to make salty feathers.